Hey folks, Evan Rosemore, Crestliner Pro Staff. I fish with planer boards a lot during the tournament season, and then anytime I'm out chasing salmon and lake trout on the Great Lakes. One thing I get asked a lot of times, people are jumping into my boat and we're setting up planer board rods. They ask, "What is this going to look like when a fish hits it? What happens?" They instantly see the rod bent over when we're setting up the boards, and they go, "Oh, is it going to bend over more, or what's going to happen?" The trick is to watch the boards. This past weekend was opener fishing. Doug Limerveen, Offshore Tackle Pro Staff, hopped in the boat with me, and we trolled some planer boards with crankbaits on the St. Louis River. And here's a quick clip of what it's going to look like when you get bit on your planer boards.